Howdy y'all, welcome back to Gunsnbbq. So, I'm guessing you're like, oh great, a patch. That means we're doing another unboxing video from GearWebsites.com. You got that right. So, what did we order this time? Well, as you can see, we got the Hungarian spam can there. That will round out the spam cans that I need for the kids' patch panels for Christmas. But then, G-Webs got some new patches on the store. Anybody familiar with the stripper clip? He got 3 new designs. We got the black and blue. We've got the pink stripper with black paperclip. And then we got the black stripper with pink paperclip. But when G-Webs was doing this stripper clip special, he had the option of, if you went onto the Daily Gun Show that night, I believe, you got to pick a free patch from the patch panel. So there's a few of us that were there to pick our free patches and whatnot, and G-Web said, well, you can pick something off the free patch panel, or you can pick what's behind door number 2. And I went full-on Arnold Schwarzenegger from the Simpsons movie and said, I was elected to lead, not to read. Door number 2! And I am so freaking glad that I picked door number 2, let me tell you, because these are orange strippers, or stripper clips I should say, that I would not have gotten otherwise. Had no idea that there was such a thing. You know, G-Webs always has something up his sleeve, and that's what it was. So, door number 2, freaking awesome. Let me see if there's anything else we got here. We got a Corona sticker. Good stuff. And that will round it out for this order. So, go over to GearWebsites.com, pick up some stripper clips, because they are freaking awesome patches. And, by the way, they glow in the dark. So, even bigger bonus there. Keep your guns firing, your smoking, please hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons. Most of all, leave a comment, and I'll catch y'all later.